Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MiniSFORUM EliteMini X500 Ryzen 7 5700G mini PC. So friend, MiniSFORUM today announced their EliteMini X500, which is the upgraded version of their X400 mini PC to provide ultimate performance and work flexibility with AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor and Radeon Graphics. So friend, X500 is a multi-purpose mini computer designed for use in variety of solutions such as the home office, media center, HTPC, printer management, PC, digital sign or mass employment enterprise and IT solutions. And friend, the 65-watt 8-core 16-thread Ryzen 7 6700G comes with a 3.8 GHz base and 4.6 GHz boost clock, 16 MB of L3 cache and 8 Radeon RX Vega CUs, and they operate 2.0 GHz. And friend, as with all Gen 3 processor, the Ryzen 5000G chipset from DDR4 2933 DDR4 3200 interface, which will help boost gaming performance with the integrated GPU. And friend, comes with an Intel AX200 Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 adapter pre-installed. This is tiny PC also provides various interfaces including one HDMI, one DisplayPort, one line in, two RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2 port, one Clear CMOS port, one mic in. And friend, Windows 11 is not released yet. The PC will comes with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, but it also compatible to upgrade to Windows 11. And friend, it weighs only 980 grams. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.